Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige leather interior with a burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof. Got a rear roof spoiler and a rear trunk spoiler. S550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, comfort box. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, power windows. Also comes with the Distronic Plus parking assistance package. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, wood leather steering wheel, navigation, a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, sports and comfort suspension. This S550 4MATIC has 96,544 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.